So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you create a stock market prediction. Not prediction, basically track stock prices, Python code. So what you have to do firstly is let's move now VS Code. VS Code. Now what you have to do is you just have to simply go in File tab here and then open folder, and then you can select your desired folder here. After that, click here and name it as main.py or app.py, anything. Now what you have to do is you will be needing a module. So firstly go in your terminal and type for pip install yfinance. Just a second guys. Yfinance. You can see that I have already downloaded this one, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now what you have to do is you have to create a function, but before that you need to import that module. Import yfinance as yf. Then what you have to do is you have to create some basic functions like get stock data, not this one. So we will be just passing ticker. Then what you have to do is you have to create some basic instances like symbol equals yf.ticker and ticker. Then you have to define the history here. If data not empty, if not data empty, that means if have some data. If it has some data. Now then what you have to do is you have to return the currency price. For that what you will do is current price. Okay, this one. Actually, you can also remove this and just simply place a 0 here to get the data. Now what you have to do is and also remove this dot. Now what you have to do is you have to print some basic statement like the current price of the ticker is this one. There is no need of else blocking. Actually, there is a need of else blocking. You have to see that invalid data or invalid ticker. Yep, this one. No data found for this particular ticker. So now what you have to do is you have to just take the input from user. That is ticker equals ticker symbol. Enter the ticker symbol and then just pass this one. Save this one. We will be using a ticker, for example, AAPL. Let's try this. AAPL. You can see that we are getting our output here. So we have seen that you can also track prices of stocks using Python with the help of yfinance module. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.